it's modem time. Which of course means, this thing is, connected to the phone cable, so then we just plug it into our modem, like so, because the modem doesn't actually have a proper phone jack on it, which is fine, because this cable is actually, like, an extension of sorts. All we have to do now is run our shell, xterm. I'm gonna set the camera like that. Maybe tilt the laptop a little bit. Maybe get some stuff to prop the camera up on. We're about to do Dialup. Okay, that... It's so loud. That's dial-up modem through PC speaker, I think. Wonderful. Art. Oh, and that's my alarm to feed the dogs. God damn it. Where is the other one? I have two devices with the same exact alarm. An iPhone SE and an iPhone 4S. Fuck's sake. Okay, I think, if I go... Oh! Dial-up on Linux! Linux! This is awful! Oh no, okay, I gotta set up my apt repository. That's not where it is. That is in the etc/apt folder. There we go. Okay. And then we uncomment out the one for the regular stable repository, and we change it to archive.debian.org. And instead of stable, we actually give the name of our of our version of Debian, Potato. Apt-Get update. Right, I installed sudo, so now I need to do sudo things because I'm in the regular user account. First of all, actually, I wanna remove the CD ones now because they are not necessary at the moment. Sudo apt-get update. Oh, come on. What is wrong with this? Oh, it's deb source. Ah, the regular ones are up here. That should be fine, right? archive.debian.org/debian potato main contrib mount free. That should just work. No, you... Okay, wait. Line 13. What's line 13? Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, it wrapped, so therefore it's, needing another comment on the... Okay, I understand now. We're doing it! Wait, are we doing it? Shit. Yeah, we are. Oh my god. We're updating over Dialup. This is a new low for me, which is actually fine because low in this case means how old the thing I'm doing is. After how badly X386 did not, or rather, my CRT did not like X386, this is just going a lot smoother, and I like Debian still, so yay. Alright. This is the good ending.